Hi, this is Jackie with the Builderall team. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send a single email or a once-off email. You're going to see right here it says create campaign. We're going to click on that. Then you can choose either of these buttons. I'm just going to click a new record. And you're going to see right here it says regular. Then we're going to make a give it a name. And we're going to click regulars. We're going to choose the list that we want to use. There's no segmentation here. We're going to click on save. Then we need to make sure that we add the right sender email that has been verified. Make sure all the details is correct. We're going to start giving it details or content. Once you've changed and adjusted it, you can click on save. You can send an email test if you like, or you can even activate it to be repeated. If I do that, you're going to see choose the time and how many times you want it to be repeated. You can also choose the time value and the time unit. Once you are happy with what you have, you're going to click save and activate. And it will show there right there at the top that it's been activated, ready to be sent. And that is how you will send a once-off email or a regular email. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in another.